Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you no doubt will be familiar with the lyrics to the Davido hit song Fall, which goes banana follow you, Prada follow you, etc. So now you can replace that with thunder hammer you, shokbono hammer you, because certainly that seems to be what the whole world is saying to the Malam Buhari regime, as the whole world has now reached the conclusion that they are thoroughly fed up with these people. So guys, with that I bring you this. Twitter unverifies Vice President Yemi Osinbajo's account, deletes 2,399 tweets. So that's the headline. Twitter unverifies Vice President Yemi Osinbajo's account, deletes 2,399 tweets. So now let's find out exactly what Twitter has done. Vice President Yemi Osinbajo's Twitter handle has been unverified. All tweets by the account, which was created in December 2014, have been deleted, and his profile picture and header image have been taken down. The suspension and deletion of tweets took place between Friday night, August 9, and Saturday morning, August 10. The Vice President's office is yet to give any reason for this. There are speculations that the account became unverified after attempts by some persons to hack it. So that now seems to be what is being speculated, but what is known is that Twitter has taken down the account of this fella, which is the poster boy of the Buhari regime, because of course is the one that they will send off to go and blow brick grammar off the back of their wrongdoing. So now thoroughly fed up with this sort of goings on, whether it's being hacked or not, no one knows, but certainly what is known is that Twitter has taken down this guy's account. So as I said, borrowing from the Davido song, thunder hammer you, shokbono hammer you, because it looks as though these people are now being hammered now, because as I said, the whole world has now gotten down to their antics, and they're saying enough is enough. Thus far and no further is what the whole world, and indeed the Nigerian people, and exactly the Nigerian person is saying to these people. So now what says you? What is your lyric to the Osinbajo Buhari goings on? Conversations in the comment section. Let's get lyrical with this one. But before you come have a sing song in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's bust lyrics in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.